Two conversions are decimal to binary. Second one is binary to decimal. In the last lecture, bache, we did decimal to binary. Okay. And when we did binary, decimal to binary, the method was you have to divide the number by 2. In this, what we do is base is 10, we have to convert it into the base 2. So 10 base is given, the number is given here. We have to convert into the binary equivalent, and the method was we have to divide the number by 2. Now the second type of conversion is binary to decimal that we are going to do today. In this bache, the method is you have to multiply each digit of a particular number with 2. Clear? This is the difference between the two. When you are converting from decimal to binary, you have to divide the number by 2. And when you are converting binary to decimal, you have to multiply the number with 2. So decimal to binary conversion is clear to everyone? Decimal to binary conversion is clear? Any doubt in that method? What we have did is we simply divide the number by 2 and then we are writing the quotient here and we are putting the remainders in the next column. And then after finally calculating all, when last numbers are either 0 or 1, we are putting the remainders from the bottom to top. This way we are calculating decimal to binary and we are getting the binary equivalent of a number. Clear? Right, bache? Now coming on to the binary to decimal part. So as I already told you, in binary to decimal, simply you have to multiply the number with 2. Let's solve it. Let's look at the method 1. 100, 100. This is binary number. We have to find its equivalent decimal number. Clear? So this is the question. So let's look at the procedure, how we are going to do this. Simply, you have to multiply all the numbers with the 2. So 1 multiplied by 2, right? Plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied 2 plus 1 multiplied 2 plus 0 multiplied 2 plus 0 multiplied 2. Board is visible. Clear? In the first step, what I did is simply open it, multiply each digit of a number with 2 and put plus sign in between. Okay, so this was the first step. Now the second step, you have to put the powers in the increasing order from the right side. आप right side से powers लगाएंगे starting from 0 and it will be increased on till you got at the last. Clear? So I am starting it from here. 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? First step, simply multiply every digit with 2. Second step, put the zeros in the increasing order, the power starting from 0, 1 and so on up to the last number, jahan tak bhi aapka aa raha hai, and then you have to add them. Now let's calculate it. 2 raised to power 5. Who will tell me the answer? What is 2 raised to power 5? Yes. 2 raised to power 5 is? Reply me. Reply me in the chat box. What will be 2 raised to power 5? Akshara, Harmeet. So 10. This is 10. No, this is wrong. 2 रेज टू पावर 5 का मतलब यही नहीं है कि 2 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 5 के साथ. 2 raised to power 5 means you have to multiply 2 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times you have to multiply 2. Clear? 2 raised to power 5 का meaning क्या होता है? Simply multiply the 2 5 times. Now what you will get after multiplying it? This is equivalent to 32. Clear? Now 32 multiplied by 1 is 32. 32 into 1 is 32. Second, 2 raised to power 4. What is 2 raised to power 4 now? बताओ कैलकुलेट करके. 2 raised to power 4 इतना हो गया ना? So this will be 16. Now 16 into 0 is any number multiplied with 0 is 0. कोई भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो we get the answer as 0. Next, again 2 raised to power 3. Whatsoever the answer, we have to multiply by 0. So obviously we are getting the answer 0. Clear? उसके बाद 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4 and 4 into 1 is 4. ठीक है? प्लस आगे 0 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो वो 0 ही आएगा. उसके बाद भी 0 से ही मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर इज 0. बट अगर यहाँ पे बच्चे 1 होता, अगर कुछ ऐसे होता तो फिर क्या आंसर आता? हमने बात करी थी एनी नंबर रेज टू पावर 0 है. कोई भी नंबर जो रेज टू पावर 0 होता है वो होता है 1. तो 1 into 1 is 1. ठीक है? This is not a part of this question. In case अगर last digit 1 होता तो answer will be 1 then. Now coming on to the same question. After adding what we are getting 36, that is equivalent decimal number. So this number is equivalent to 36 in high level language. Clear? Conversion is clear to everyone? Sure बच्चे? So let's do one more question of same category. Next question is 1001 equivalent decimal number. I am once again repeating the method for converting to binary to decimal. So look at the steps carefully. But when you are converting binary number into the decimal number, the first step is to open it and multiply each digit of a number with 2. Every number is to be multiplied with 2. And then putting the addition sign in between. 0 into 2, 0 into 2, 1 into 2. और बीच में मैंने सबके प्लस साइन लगाया. Clear? After this, you have to put the power starting from the right side and from the 0 in increasing order. 0, 1, 2, 3. Powers लगा दी second step में. Third step, you have to solve it now by extending it, by evaluating it. So 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So 8 into 1 is 8, right? Multiply with 0 and so answer will be 0. Next is also 0. Now last part. 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So this is equivalent to 9 in decimal. So आपको आंसर कैसे देना है? 1001. This was in binary number. So we have converted it into the decimal number. Right, बच्चे? Clear? Yes or no? Now let's do the activity written. Should I raise the board now? Okay. In the activity, the question is given 1000 triple 101. 1000 triple 101. We have to find the equivalent decimal code. Yes, first step. Do it side by side, everyone. Do on your notebooks. 1 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 2 plus 0 multiply 2. ये मैंने 1000 तक expand कर लिया. Next thing is triple 1. 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2. क्लियर है? यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया? फिर उसके बाद लास्ट में 2 डिजिट्स हैं. 0 into 2, 1 into 2. Right? Now the next step is to give the powers from the right side, starting with 0, 2 raised to power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. क्लियर है? अभी नहीं सम निकालेंगे, we will find the sum in the last step. तो बिल्कुल लास्ट स्टेप है एडिशन वाला. Yes, you have to do this Karthik. सभी क्लास में हो रहा है बच्चे. Now solve it. What is 2 raised to power 8? Now give me. Do the calculation and tell me what is 2 raised to power 8. That is equivalent to 256. Yes. कैसे आया वो? 2 को 8 times we will be multiplicating. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 8 times 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So 16 into 16 is equivalent to 256. ठीक है? ये पता चल गया ना कैसे निकला 256? So this is your rough work. Right? After this, you have to multiply with 0, 2 raised to power 7. So no need to calculate 2 raised to power 7 निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हमने करना ही मल्टीप्लाई 0 के साथ है. So any number multiply with 0 will be getting 0. Next one is also 0. Next one is also 0. Now coming on 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 16 into 1 is 16. Now 2 raised to power 3. That is 8. Very good, Chahar. 8 into 1 is 8. 2 raised to power 2, 4. So 4 into 1 is 4. Next number is 0. It will be 0. Last पे आ जाओ. 2 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Now simply add this and get the answer. Tell me the answer now. 256, 16 plus 13. So that is equivalent to 285. So the equivalent decimal number of this number is 285. And you have to put in the bracket and write in the base the number is 10. The conversions are clear now to everyone. Both the conversions, decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Okay. Now coming on to the exercises, बच्चे. Open page number 14 of your book.
आपने आंसर लिखा है 285, नीचे 10 लिखा है बेस में, पर उसका आंसर 284 नहीं आएगा।
284 कैसे आ रहा है? यहाँ पे 1 भी तो है लास्ट में।
मैम 285 ही आ रहा है।
2 raised to power 0 is 1, 1 1।
ओके मैम वो लिखा नहीं स्लाइड पर था।
Octal number system consists of 7 fourth part. हाँ जी गुड्डू।
False.
Yes, octal number system. क्यों false है? What is the reason?
Because it has 8 digits.
Very good. So octal number system is having 8 digits. That's why this answer is false. RAM is a primary memory.
True.
Yes, it is true. RAM is a primary memory. Next is coming on to the question answers. Define operating system. Also give examples of the operating. Yes, who will give? Okay, Harmeet.
Yes, ma'am.
Define operating system.
Ma'am, operating system.
बोलो बच्चे.
Ma'am, it is a device that.
It is a device. Operating system is a device.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am,
Anyone else? Okay, Raghav.
An operating system is a software that controls the overall activity of computer system. It provides an interface between the user and computer hardware. Some examples are Android, Microsoft Windows, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8.
So correct. On page number 9, it is given. An operating system is a software that controls the overall activity of a computer system. It provides an interface between the user and the computer hardware. And my dear Harmeet, बच्चे, it's not a device. हमने पूरे चैप्टर में सॉफ्टवेयर ही स्टडी किया है और मैंने बार-बार बताया कि ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसकी हेल्प से यूजर कैन इंटरेक्ट विद द हार्डवेयर. Did you got the answer? The answer is clear to everyone. Yes, Gaurish. Jasween. An operating system is a software that controls the overall activity of the computer system. It provides an interface between the user and the computer hardware. Then you have to write the examples. Already we did so many examples in the lecture also. So you can write any 4 examples of your choice. Android, Unix, Linux, iOS, Mac operating system, MS-DOS, MS Windows, DOS. So you can write any 4 examples of your choice. Clear? Okay. Yes, Karthik, second question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's on the page number 10. DBMS is a software that is used to handle the large amounts of data stored in database. For example, Microsoft Access, Oracle, etc.
Correct. So second question is, what do you mean by DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. पहले आप full form बताएंगे. It is a software used to handle large amount of data stored in the database, and then you can give two examples, that is MS Access and Oracle. What is customized software? Give examples. Who will give the answer? Vishnu.
Ma'am,
What is customized software?
Customized software is also known as tailor-made software. A customized software is made as per the specific requirements of an organization. The user can specify what all he requires from the software, and software is built to accomplish the specific tasks. For example, library management system, attendance management system, billing system, airline reservation system, etc.
Okay. Any other answer? Yes, given correct answer, but it is very lengthy, so we have to cut it down. Anyone can help give the answer? Okay, Amarjot Kaur. Whosoever is unmute.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, me.
Ma'am, customized
Yes, speak out.
software is made as per the specific requirements of an organization. This is also known as a tailor-made software. For example, software made for library management system would be different from that of an airline reservation system.
Correct. Customized software is made as per the specific requirements of an organization. It is also known as tailor-made software. Example, library management system, airline reservation system. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
One line of the definition, it is made as per the specific requirements of an organization, and then you have to tell its other name, that is also known as tailor-made software. Right? What is number system? So what is number system? A number system, it is a way to represent the numbers. There are mainly 4 types of number systems: decimal, octal, binary number system, and hexadecimal number system. Clear? The answer is clear. Did you got? Number system is a way to represent numbers. There are mainly 4 types of number system. Then you have to tell the name. Next is, what do you mean by a base of a number? What do you mean by a base of a number? Yes, Parth. Parth, you can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, Parth.
Ma'am, yes. The base of a number system is the numbers of the digits used in it. For example, decimal number system uses 10 digits, so its base is 10.
Very good, Suchitesh. I have also given the same answer. Page number 12, no more it is given. So correct. The base of a number system is the number of the digits used in it. For example, decimal number system uses 10 digits. So that's why its base is 10. What is multitasking? Madhav. What is multitasking?
Page number 9.
Madhav, there is so much of disturbance at your end.
And can I give?
हाँ जी,
Can I give?
ओके गिव बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am. Multitasking means the ability of the computer to run 2 or more applications at the same time. Windows is a multitasking operating system.
Multitasking is the ability of the computer to run 2 or more applications at the same time. Windows is a multitasking operating system. Last question is, what are the various tasks performed by operating system? Various tasks performed by operating system. Yes, got it.
Ma'am, can I give?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I give?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I give?
Ma'am, page number 9. The following tasks are performed by an operating system. Manages the system resources. For example, it allocates memory and CPU time to the task currently being executed. It controls the transfer of data to and from various peripherals such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer. Manages the system security and performance.
No need to give the long examples in this. Just you have to tell the task, the major functions performed by the operating system, manages the resources, controls the transfer of data, manages the system security and performance. 3 functions: manages the system resources, controls the transfer of data, manages the system security and performance. Clear? So you have to do these question answers on the clear copy.